Shri Shashi Tharoor ji.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The same issue had been raised in an unanswered question on the 5th of December. And at that point, the Minister had indicated that there had been 147 bank robberies with 28.53 crores being stolen in the last 3 years, 2011 to 14. Now, I mention this because while we all enjoyed an occasion for hilarity during all the grim news of our times, this is clearly no laughing matter. Because one aspect we have not discussed today, ma'am, is the apparent connection between bank robberies and terrorism. It seems that some of the terror groups in this country are systematically looking to bank robberies as a means of financing their operations. For example, a recent example is the Burdwan blasts in Calcutta in Bengal were directly linked to a bank robbery in Telangana. Now, the question I need to ask the Minister and the government here is, are the ministries coordinating? Is there cooperation with the anti-terror cells and the Intelligence Bureau to ensure that when you talk about security in this light-hearted way, that you are also ensuring that the specific target intelligence about terrorist groups targeting banks in order to ensure that security measures are beefed up in those areas that are vulnerable to potential terrorist attacks? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Very good. Madam Speaker, I'd like to assure the honourable member that when it comes to violence and the kinds of incidents that we are all most aggrieved about, and which honourable member Shri Mehtab ji also spoke about, that this is a question of zero tolerance. And it is with that same level of utmost seriousness that we confront terrorism. And in fact, our government has expressed over and over again a zero tolerance for both terrorism and matters of national and domestic security. So I can assure him that if indeed we find such incidents where these kinds of bank robberies are being done to encourage and to be able to promote terrorism, we will take it with utmost seriousness, and we will do our level best to protect the country. And as I've already indicated, the data tell us that we are already doing a commendable job in terms of security as far as our ATMs and bank branches are concerned. But in a vast and sprawling country like ours, it is not possible to have foolproof security, even though we all have a zero tolerance policy. Thank you.
Question number 243, Shri Mohammed